Basically, this is a dashboard. This dashboard is customized through Power BI. Microsoft Power BI we have taken. Actually, we have taken the HMS data from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Portal 1920, the year of 1920. This is a Karnataka data. Overall, we have created um, two sets of thematically maternal health and child health. This is actually you can do many things. You can customize many things, but we have just pulled out the only the HMS data. We have not triangulate with other NFHS, DLHS, and other side the secondary data set or MCDS kind of data set. We have not pulled out, but we can do it many things from this kind of a dashboards, whether it is a Power BI, whether it is a Tableau or some other addition, similar kind of dashboards, dashboard applications. You can do many things. The my context is actually I don't want to. If a program is having a if the program is having a 2 months, 1 year or 2 years of program, so instead of making a money, time, and investing 6 months of making a dashboard, that's not. I will never go for that kind of things. I always prefer for a go with the prescribed standard tools. What is available in the market, I'll pick the things and do customize and give the things. Give the output. That's what my main criteria. So considering this for this maternal this HMS actually the team wants to some kind of a dashboard. So this is lots of designing can be done. This is only simply a raw type of dashboard only. I will not say this is it's taken only for me to 2 to 3 hours to customize all those things to pull out the data and do this kind of a dashboard. So I'll just show you can. This is only one source of HMS data that has mentioned 1920 only. It's not a different kind of a sources. This is only 1920 ka data. We have just take the things and we are customized. So this is a two sets of data: maternal health and child health. If you look at the things, this is the denominator for across this indicator. So whenever we're making a dashboard, the denominator has to be reflected in the dashboard. In the anyway, somewhere in the denominator has to be reflected. This is the pregnant women registered in the first trimester, percentage of pregnant women for ANC checkups, and these are some key key indicators that you can consider for maternal health. So first of all, you have to making any dashboard, you have to make a uh, you have to consider the what are the thematical area and what are the within the thematic area, what are the indicators to be reflected, that you have to map first, and what are the sources and what is the numerator and what is the denominator. You have to be very specific. Then any dashboard can be made out very easily. So if you look at the things, there is a four set of five sets of indicators that I have taken picked out. It's a 1920 HMS data. For this, actually, I have keep some kind of a drop down menu. So if I want to see only Bangalore rural, so I'll just select this Bangalore rural. Uh, I can select only the Bangalore rural. I'll just get the Bangalore rural data. So if that kind of a selection, you can do it anytime, and you can all the value will be dynamically will reply. So the same way you can adopt for if you want to look at the if you want to see the series of 2019 to some kind of a data series over a period of time you wants to see, you can adopt the same kind of a drop down, and you can filter out which area you wants to see the data, that kind of approach, and which area you want to compare the data, that kind of approach can be made out. So unselecting, so you will get all those things. This kind of drop down will much helpful for to look at the data. So if you look at the thing, some indicators outlier because we have not cleaned anything, but there is a HMS data. There is always outlier because they have not taken the action. The denominator has to be changes in this scenario. Denominator has to changes from this scenario because they supposed to take the number estimated pregnant women. It's not those here. The denominator is the number of pregnant women who registered for ANC. That is not a cases. You have to consider that number of pregnant women, estimated pregnant women that you have to take in consider. So looking, that's the same way. If I am clicking the next click button, the clicking to the child health. If you look at the children given vaccination, and then number of children fully immunized and number of immunization section conducted. So it's the same way. You can unselect. Barely I am selecting. You can see the indicator. Simply it's a raw. Don't think it's lots of things can be done, lots of designing can be done, lots of label. It's only 2 to 3 hours what currently I have did. So lots of things you can done. That's what there is a tool. Maybe you can have a multiple pages. Just pull the dashboard and give to any website, and you can do it in a 10 to 15 days. You can just launch the any kind of a dashboard. That's what I just want to say. Okay, I think it helps. Thanks.